Alright, decals. So first thing, the video isn't backwards. This is a reverse headstock. And I made a mirror image decal. So it's the right shape, but it looks like hieroglyphics. And the reason I did that is because I just find it hilarious that when Fender used to make, I don't know if they still do, but they'd make left-handed necks and just stick a right-handed decal on. It just looked really disrespectful, I think, to the left-handed community. So I'm trying to redress the balance by doing something equally as disrespectful and nonsensical. Anyway, this is lukewarm water, and the decal will curl up when you pop it in. So hold it at both sides like that, and then a little bit of dishwater in it, and then I microwaved it, which makes it go murky when you've got, not dishwater, sorry, dishwashing liquid, which is why it's a bit milky, like the dishwashing liquid goes funny in the microwave. So it's reheated water. So you want to hold it in for about 20 seconds and then drip dry. The surface that you're putting it on needs to be flat. If there's like any orange peeling, that will show up as like silver spots. That's called silvering, according to a model railway forum people. That's where I discovered what was going on by Googling it and discovering the world of model railways. Anyway, I'm ranting. So I let it drip dry. I'm not going to shake it much because it will slide off. It's just going to come off right now. So the way I'll do it is sort of slide off a little bit and get it into place. Fuck, this is really delicate. I'm too busy yapping. Get it into place like that with a little bit of that, and then just slide the backing out from underneath it. Come on, come on. I should have kept my fingers wrapped around it when it was. You got leeway to correct it once it's on. A little bit. I think that's all right. So then, to pat it down, I don't actually use my hand anymore. I use like a folded up bit of kitchen roll. And that way you can sort of, it's not going to put any, so I'll start off lightly and that will chase out the water that's under it. And the kitchen paper will help absorb that actually. So it works in two ways. And then I'll just check how flat it is. Few little creases there. And then I'll just sort of increase the pressure, I guess. Have a look. Ooh, yeah, a little bit. Okay, it wants to be teased out a little bit that way. Oh, there's a bit there now. I think that's, oh, fucking hell. Yeah, I've gone too hard. See, it's really, really delicate. And like, to be honest, there's a little bit there. A little bit there. This makes for compelling viewing, I'm sure. So yeah, you want to have like a light nearby so you can actually like shine the light into it and see what's happening. And the lacquer over the top will hide a lot of imperfections as well, so it doesn't need to be exact. But it can be hard to predict sort of what shows and what doesn't. Right, I'm going to leave that now because if I touch it anymore, I'll probably make it worse. But I mean, that's pretty good. Just lightly dust it. Yeah, you got to be really gentle. Right, and I'll do the little one. Come on, little one. And this one's the right way around. This is legible text. I'm going to pop it at a jaunty angle like that. It says original baritone because it's a baritone. Again, about 20 seconds. I bet you're on the edge of your seat. It's fascinating, fascinating stuff. Okay, the little ones are really fiddly, you know, I've destroyed so many of these. So I'll slide it off, is it? It's not even coming off yet. Okay, let's see what happens. Will it come off? A little, yeah, there we go. So jaunty angle, didn't I? Like that. Somewhere near the middle. I'll try and keep my fingers around the card, actually, because it's harder to grab otherwise. Oh, that's not the right. Said there, didn't I? Something like that. Okay. Ooh. There we go. Now just get the water away. Oh, bloody hell. And the tissue paper's a little bit too heavy. You do have a little bit of time to correct course. Oh man. Ooh. Stay put. I think that's all right. That's pretty good. I'll come back to the other one now. Now that it's stuck down a little bit, you can probably be a little bit more aggressive with the imperfections. I'm gonna get another, I'm out of kitchen roll, so sort of panicking about using my last square. At least I'm not on the toilet, that would be worse. I've got this stuff, this micro set, and I don't know if it helps. I can't really prove it either way, but I'm going to use it because I have it. And what I'll do is I'll just wet the tissue with it, and then wipe it flat with the solution. Macro set is another one from the model railway forums. It helps it to conform. Because rock and roll is all about conformity. Yeah, there's a couple of little bubbles under the little one. Ugh, I think these are all right. Yeah, it's pretty good. So I'll let that dry and then spray over it like normal. So there's a few layers on already that I sanded down. There we go. There, done. Yeah, there's a few little bits there. Don't know how worried I should be about that. I don't think they're going to go away. Honestly, they're tiny, and yeah, one way you can tell is by like wetting it with maybe some lighter fluid and just rubbing it over, and then having a look when it's wet if you can see the dots. But honestly, I don't think that's going to show through. Yeah, it's going to be fine. Yeah, so I'll end with that, I guess. Fingers crossed this is the last time I have to do this one. I had a little mishap before. It's not going to go away. It'll be fine. I'll bury it under nitro. Okay then, yeah. I don't know how to end these, so I'll just end it like this. Famous last words. I redid it because it was sitting too close to this edge here. I was too busy yapping and not really paying attention to what I was doing, so it's basically your fault. That's looking a bit silvery, that one. That one's looking good. So yeah, I just did this extra addendum just to save myself the embarrassment of saying something looks fine when it doesn't. That's a bit better now. Okie doke.